If you want to use Metab to recalculate the abundance of each metabolite, as I told you now, we also need the library used by Amidis. In this case, we just need the MSL file. We don't need both files, like I showed before. We need only the MSL file. Okay, so let's start the process then. It's very simple. After you did all this analysis in Amidis, we just need to organize our data in a way that Metab can automatically identify which sample belongs to which condition. So those are the samples we have. We have two experimental conditions in this case. One experimental condition is called 50 microliters, and the other experimental condition is called 100 microliters. Each one has 5 samples. So that's how. So let's now build the structure. Let's build the structure required by Metab. So that's the folder that I prepared for us, just to show how it works. Example Metab. So I organize the files here in the way we need to run Metab. So what I need to do is to create one folder for each experimental condition, the same way we had before. So one experimental condition is called 100 microliters, could be any name. And the other experimental condition is called 100 microliters. So now what I need to do is to get the files and transfer to the folders related to these files. So I'm copying the CDF files. I could use these folders straight away, but I want to build a new one just to make clear how the process works. So this is the main folder, example Metab. Here is the folder for one experimental condition, 50 microliters. So here I'm going to paste all the files associated to 50 microliters. Now I need to copy the files from 100 microliters. So these are the files. Go back to our example folder and paste. Okay, so we also need the report from Amidis and the Amidis library. What I'm going to do is to put them in the same folder in order to make it easier to work after. So here I have this file here is the report, the batch report generated by Amidis, and this is the file from the library. So I selected both files, and I will paste here in our example folder. Done. That's everything we need to do to run Metab.